Hey guys, hope you are doing well. I'm your Ranjan sir. Today I'm going to discuss syllabus of class 10th mathematics. I just checked actually. I just checked the CBSE website and I will share you the link also in the video description section. Okay. You can also compare with your textbook and the CBSE website whatever syllabus they have given. I just compared and checked. I found that all the chapters are there. So I am not feeling like whether they have reduced the syllabus or not. But I see all the topics are there, all the lessons are there. But might be if you see in detail that some topics might be removed or some part of the chapters might be removed. But all the chapters are there in the syllabus, that I can confirm you. I will share the link and you can check out by yourself. Okay. So currently whatever chapters are there, we will see one by one, just briefly, not in detail, because in detail I will give you another videos, chapter by chapter, right, lesson by lesson. So let's see. The lesson 1, you see, it's real numbers. Okay. Lesson 2, polynomials. Lesson 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. This is very interesting actually, the linear equations in two variables. Earlier you have learnt about linear equation in one variable. Here it's two variables. You will enjoy this. I remember my time, my 10th class. It was really amazing and I would love to solve the questions in linear equation of two variables, and the next chapter also. Next lesson also, this quadratic equation. This was very fun to solve quadratic equation. Then arithmetic progression. Okay, it might seem little bit tough, but yeah, it's interesting. You will love that. Then triangles. Okay, so triangles, acute, different types of triangles you will learn. Okay, right angled, obtuse, right, and scalene, different type of triangles, whatever it is, you will learn in this, and properties. Then coordinate geometry. This was earlier in my days, it was in 11th class. Okay, now they have, I think it's been time they have put it in 10th class, so it's bit easier, like when you go to the 10 plus 1 and 10 plus 2 means 11th and 12th class, it will be really helpful. Earlier it used to be very tough. Suddenly we will have to learn totally different topics, but you guys are lucky. They have given you basics of those chapters which are in 11th and 12th. Okay, so you will have basic ideas. Then introduction of trigonometry. This is amazing. Sine, cos, tan, cot. These all were amazing. I remember my 10th class. I would love to solve those questions. So I hope you will also love this. Okay. Some applications of trigonometry. So applications means different kind of problems and different properties of trigonometry you will see and you will love to solve the questions. Then circles. Okay, circles you have, I think, learned earlier the parameter, perimeter and area calculation. You will learn more about it. Okay, let's see next. Then constructions. This is also good, but you have to be very careful while writing steps of constructions, okay, of the geometrical shapes, because you miss the steps, you miss the numbers. Okay, but this is amazing, interesting and fun. Okay, you would love to do this, and then if you write it properly, you will get 100% number. Okay, then next chapter is area related circles. Okay, you'll see in detail in the topic. Then surface area and volumes. this is very similar topic, right? Since class 6th and 7th and 8th and then 9th and now 10th, every class you have been learning mensuration, area, volume, surface area. So all these things for different shapes and different 3D shapes will be there. 2D plus 3D shapes. Okay, surface area and volumes. So 2D, not 2D. Basically all will be 3D because this is surface area and volumes. So all the things will be 3D like cylinder, cubes, cuboids. Okay, so all these kind of shapes. Then chapter 14 is statistics. This is also very easy. Okay, and very fun kind of chapter. It's very easy. You will remember when you go through this. You will be drawing graphs, charts. Okay. Then the last topic is probability. So this is interesting also and this is confusing also. Some people might feel it interesting, some might feel it confusing. You will learn how to play cards and different type of cards and like probability. You say na in normal life, what is probability of this thing and what is probability of that thing. So those kind of things basically you will see, like when you play Ludo nowadays, like corona thing is going on, COVID-19 thing. So most of the people, when they are free, they will be playing Ludo. So you throw the dice and you expect it to be 6 or 5 or whatever number is required for you to put it in home or to cut some other person's that goatee you say or whatever. So you expect, right, that this should come. Hey Bhagwan, ye wala number aa jaye, right? You expect like this. So it's not sure that it will come, but there is a probability that it will come and there is a probability that it will not come. So this is called probability, and this kind of probability, what is probability that this number can come and what is probability that this number might not come. You will solve these kind of questions and how you can calculate these kind of probabilities you will learn in this chapter. Isn't it interesting? Does it sound interesting? I think so. It's very interesting. Okay. So this was the topics. Okay. You have seen. And as I said, I will put the URL of CBSE website in the description section. So please go and check out and compare the details with your textbook. I feel all the chapters are there. I confirm you all the chapters are there, but some of the topics within the chapter might be removed so that you have to study little less. Okay, but syllabus is complete. Nothing has been reduced as far as I know. Okay. Thank you so much.